Hey guys, I hope you're all doing fine and great because I am. So, this is another grade 9 math past paper. As you can see here, it says solve for x, and each individual sum over here consists of 2 marks each. And I'm sure you wouldn't want to lose those 2 marks, right? Most definitely. So, let's begin. So, for the first one, what you do here is you say 2x is equal to 11 plus 3 is what? 14. Okay? And then divide by 2. Divide by 2 on both sides. Why? Because you want x to be by itself. So therefore, x is going to be equal to what? 7. So I'm going to explain why again. I'm sure you're asking why? How did I get 14? So this is negative. This 3 is negative. When you bring it to the other side, it's what? Positive. So that's how I got 14. And because you want to isolate to the x, the question says here solve for x. That means x should be by itself. And if you want it to be by itself in this situation, you have to divide it by 2. And that's how I got that answer. And your 2 marks is just for this and your answer. Let's move on to the next one. Over here, as you can see, this is a trinomial. Why do you think it's a trinomial? Because it has 3 terms. And what are 3 terms? 3 terms. So basically, these are 3 terms. Why? Because it's separated by a plus or minus, right? Terms are always separated by a plus or minus, not by multiplication or division, only by a plus or minus. That determines how many terms you have, or if there are terms, or if there's one term. So basically for this specific answer over here, it is going to be x plus 1. There's 2 brackets, remember that, equal to 0. So x and then x plus 2. So therefore x is equal to negative 1, or x is equal to negative 2. How did I get to this? And remember, the mark allocation is 2 marks because 1 mark there and 1 mark there. So I'm sure you're wondering how I got to negative 1 or how I got to negative 2. So basically, let me show you. So basically, remember when I said x plus 1 is equal to 0, right? The 1 is positive. When you move to the other side, it's what? Negative. For the similar here, for x plus 2. X plus 2, when you move, this is positive. When you move it to the other side, it is negative. That's how I got negative 2. Now, for this last one. As you can see here, this is a trinomial. Of course, there are 3 terms here. And over here, there are 2 terms. Remember, terms are separated by a plus or minus, not by multiplication, not by division, only by plus or minus. Now, for this one, it is just x plus 2. Always put your answer sometimes in brackets. And x plus 2. And then x plus 2 remains here, equal to 0. And that is your 1 mark for your method. Now your next mark, you can see here that you can cancel. And you know that x plus 2, you don't have to put brackets, I'm just putting it there, over 1, right? Anything divided by 1 is itself, right? Equal to 0. So x plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to negative 2. How did I get negative 2? Remember, this 2 is positive. When you move it to the other side, it's negative. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope you've enjoyed it. And please hit that notification bell for any new video that pops up on my YouTube channel. Thank you.